beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just get thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today I have one or two to ship in. I just wanted to listen to this update. Don't forget, share the video, like, and subscribe as I keep you updated on all the latest happening as we analyze them back to back. Listen to this particular information, and I'll be right back.
Hello everyone. So this morning I live in Benin, so I stopped at the Sapler Road ATM, Zenith Bank ATM at Sapler Road to try to withdraw money because I needed to pay some money at my daughter's school. So I got there, I met a guy trying to withdraw money, or so I thought, and I asked him, is it paying? He said he doesn't know because he's trying to do a transfer. So I went to another booth and I put my card in, but the machine wasn't paying. So while I stood there grumbling like, this machine will not even get money, the guy said, "Mama, I not pay you." I said, "You not pay me." Then he said, "I be POS girl, you go withdraw from me." I said, "Why not?" In my heart, this saves me time and energy. So I asked him to bring his POS. He got out a POS machine from his bag. I gave him my card and he slotted it in, gave it back to me to put my PIN. I put my PIN and I gave it back to him. He bought it for a while and said, "Mama, no network for this machine." No. I'm like, okay, no problem. So he gave me back my card. As soon as I got to my car, I became restless in my spirit. I just knew that something was off, something was wrong. But I couldn't tell what it was. I was looking at the guy. He was looking at me. Because he was standing by the machine, that's the Zenith Bank ATM. But I couldn't come down to confront him because I didn't know what was wrong, but I knew something was wrong. So I was telling my son in the car that something happened, this guy did something, but I don't know what he did. And I said, let's go to Fidelity Bank, which was just in front. Let me try and change my PIN, the PIN to my card. So I drove into Fidelity Bank. I went to the ATM booth to change my PIN. And I put it in, put my PIN, it kept saying wrong PIN. So I brought it out like, this is my card. Only for me to look at the card in my hand. It wasn't my card. So apparently this guy had swapped my card. In the process of trying to give me back my card, I don't know how he magically did it. He swapped my card. Maybe I was distracted or something. He swapped my card. So I ran back to the car to tell my kids, this is what had just happened. This guy swapped my card. So I was trying to open my bank app to see if there's anything I can do about blocking the card or something. And just while I was doing that, I got an alert. He has already collected my money. All I had in the card was 44,000 naira, and he had collected it already. I tried to circle back to see if I would find the guy by the Zenith Bank ATM. He wasn't there anymore, So I just said, seriously. First of all, I was just thanking God, like, okay, the money wasn't so much, but this is Nigeria and everybody is stressing now. Somebody just wakes up in the morning and decides that he's going to defraud another person. It's very pathetic. But you guys need to be safe out there, which is really why I'm making this video. This is a new one. I have not heard it. I have not seen it before. I don't know how his machine would have been able to read my PIN. I don't know how he did it, but he did it. So if you have to use a POS machine, please use from a person that is known, from a booth that is named, so that you don't run into this kind of funny business a very early morning like this, just after 7, and somebody has already defrauded me of 44,000 naira. And then when problems start in his life, he's wondering why and where it's coming from. But this is just me giving you a friendly note or a friendly message. Be safe out there. People are really crazy.
You guys know that this period is a season period, is a feasting period, is a period people travel, people celebrate, and also a lot of people taking advantage of the season to do whatever they are doing that is not legal. So I want you to keep sharing this video so that your family, friends, well-wishers and loved ones will be informed of all that is happening, so that they will know how to be careful in their day-to-day life. So I want us to just listen to Asari Dokubo right now and responding to the Oba of Benin, because you guys know a few days back the Oba of Benin visited Lagos State, and in his speech he said that Lagos State belong to the Benin, belongs to the Edo. I don't really know what they say about it, but a lot of people has come out to react. Some said the Oba of Benin is not saying the truth, while some said the Oba of Benin is saying the truth. Right now, Asari Dokubo has dropped his own bombshell. Let us listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Alone how they talk. Lagos belong to Benin people. Look at how unintelligent you people are. How did the distance between Lagos and Benin people? They don't even know history. How Lagos was founded by Benin people. Look, useless argument. Dawome attacked Lagos. Dawome attacked Abeokuta. Dawome attacked Oyembe. Borogu fought with Oyembe. Dawome is in Benin Republic. So Dawome people say, we own this place. Because they came to fight there. Borogu, part of Borogu is in Benin Republic. So Borogu people will say, because they Ishenyi, all those places, Borogu army at the time occupied these places. So Kichi, the Okogun area of present Oyo State, Borogu people were occupying some of those places in those days. And now the capital of ancient Borno is in Benin Republic. So they will claim that the Ibora, the whole of Okogun belong to them. You don't know history. A Benin army attacked Ondo, this down. Ijaw people ferried them. It's in history. Ijaw people ferried them. They went and attacked Lagos, Lagos Island. Not the whole of Lagos, just Lagos Island. And they occupied Lagos. Lagos was made up of 5 divisions. 4 of these divisions were in the former Western region. They don't know history, so they keep talking. Lagos belong to Benin. Which Oba of Benin that Lagos belong to? Which Oba of Benin? You see idiots. So they flew from there to found Lagos. They carried the land of Lagos from Benin and took it and put it in among the amidst Yoruba people in Lagos. They carried, as they were coming, the Oba of Benin carried historical parasitism. Most of these things are parasitic history. It did not even happen. People have heard that there was one Oba of Lagos and they start showing narratives around that Oba of Benin. There was one Oba in Benin. Most of these things did not even happen. That is if they ever happen. But the question I'm asking, the Oba of Benin and the Benin people now package the land of Lagos. They package the land of Lagos from Benin and came and, lay it down amidst the Yorubas. And the Gun people. They came and laid it. Badagry is a Gun land. They came and laid it. That Lagos belong to nobody, Lagos belong to me. Something is wrong with you people. Benin army attacked Lagos and at a time colonized Lagos. Okay, that sounds reasonable. But Lagos was founded by Benin people. And it's Lagos Island, that small tiny place they are talking of. They are not talking of Ikeja. They are not talking of Okorodu. They are not talking of Badagry. They are not talking of Muchi. That Lagos Island. By sea, Ijaw people ferried them according to history. They went and attacked because they don't enter water. Benin people today don't enter. They end at Ghetto. All the others outside are Ijaw territories. Ijaw people is there. If you want, I'll bring it. I bring the evidence from European reports. The job people ferry Benin people, Benin soldiers to attack uh, Lagos Island, and then they leave that Lagos Island. So even you see people with PhD professors, you see those loquacious, arise journalists, sick, demented people who are so partisan. They've left journalism to partisanship. That they went that Lagos belonged to Benin people. So they passed through Lagos like this. Huh? And carried it from Benin like this, like this, like this, came and kept it amidst the Yoruba people and the Ekun people. And it became Lagos. I beg. Unintelligent way of reasoning, unintelligent way of talking.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do it to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.